Welcome back to my Minute Channel 1. Today I'm going to show you why you should put a box of baking soda in your refrigerator and how often you should be cleaning your refrigerator coils. If you're new here, I am a wife, a mom, and this is where you'll find lots of fun, family-friendly life hacks and cleaning and life hacks. So give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Let me just take a second to explain why you want to put a box of baking soda in your refrigerator. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, and it will keep your refrigerator smelling fresh. It also helps absorb any moisture that's in your refrigerator, which can also help prevent odors. And if you have a garbage disposal, you probably already know that the #1 cause of bad odors in there is actually moisture. So this is a really easy trick to keep your refrigerator smelling fresh. Now, how often should you really be cleaning your refrigerator coils? You should be dusting them off at least every 3 months. And what happens is dust builds up on those refrigerator coils, and they become very, very dirty. What that causes is an ice buildup on the back of your refrigerator, which makes your refrigerator have to work harder, and it actually uses more energy. So by keeping those coils clean, it helps your refrigerator run more efficiently. I do want to make a quick side note here. If you have any doubts about your safety when it comes to doing this, you can always call an appliance repair company to come in and do this for you. But I've done this many times, and it's very easy. If your coils look like this, definitely go ahead and take your refrigerator coils and wipe them off. What you're going to need is a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment and some warm water and a microfiber cloth. Now, if your refrigerator coils look like this, you may think, Energy Star, I don't need to clean those. Well, guess what? You do, because they get super, super dusty. Even if they look clean, you should still be dusting them off every 3 to 6 months. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this vacuum, and with the brush attachment, I'm just going to go ahead and start vacuuming off these coils. As you can see here, lots of dust. Just take your time and vacuum off all the dust that you can. Once you've done that, take your warm water and your microfiber cloth and just wipe down the coils. This will help remove any of the dust that the vacuum cleaner missed. And that is it. That is how you clean your refrigerator coils and why you should be doing it every 3 months. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I will see you in the next one.